welcome to another episode of TC Finds. I'm Tyler Dylan Cox, that's Jerry Lee, and that is Ksenia. We stumbled on the Facebook post earlier today. It was for, well, you'll see what it's for. And I said, oh yes, I will buy said thing. Perfect. Well, one thing goes to another. Would you be interested in other said things that are similar to said thing? Why, yes. Yes, I would. And oh, they're only 10 miles from me. Do you want to come look at some other things? Sure. One of those things has 4 doors apparently. So let's go take a gander. Welcome to TC Finds.
It's a lie! Cause his head's too fat to fit one.
You know what we got to do is turn the key. It's happening! Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly goes to the bone. So I figured, since we're going and getting a certain thing, which you haven't seen the other things yet, we might as well take this thing, right? And if I could open my door, there we go. Wish us luck. Well, there is how we are going to load said object. But we got ourselves some Gatorade and energy drink, and some tea, and an empty trailer, plenty of fuel. We're ready to rock and roll. There is said loading device. Perfect. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. What do you think? Is it good? Yeah? And away we go. We're just some cool guys doing cool guy things, right? Yeah, we got a truck that's just like our truck. Yeah! This is what dreams are made of, folks. And if you disagree with me, well, we agree to disagree. Nothing. Same. We made it home. Now what, Puppy Pond? All right, fast forwarded. It's a week later. And I have to go get those said other things that y'all still haven't seen. So here's my wrecker. We revived it early in TC Finds. It's been nothing but trouble, this truck. But now that we got the M880 going, I'm having intrusive thoughts. This would work really good in that truck, and it's 4-wheel drive, so it'd be just better all the way around. So I'm thinking we're gonna yank this out, take it home, throw the M880, and tow trucks tomorrow. Wish me luck. So this whole rig is just bolted in. Bolt here, bolt there. I think there's one, oh, look, is there even one there? No, 2, 3.
I need someone to put these on.
Oh, you need to put those on? 3, and then these here. So, easy enough. So, I'm just gonna with the torch and we'll be good. First things first, this Romex that was holding all this in burned up there one time. So, it's been inept. So, I'm gonna yank some of this through. We're just gonna slice it off with the plier and hook the Milwaukee to lower that truck down. All right, the leg bone's connected to the knee bone. Oh, we almost had something. It did it. Milwaukee power. Better than anything. Well, we've got our bolts cut. There was something here I didn't see, but I got them. Some there, so I guess there's 9 in total. They had the middle one there, and then these 2 down here. These 2 and 2. But okay, that's close enough. What I'm wondering if I could do now is hook on and just yoink. All right, so the plan is forward pull wrecker. Winch setup thingy goes backwards. Maybe. I'm hopeful, are you?
Ready, set, go.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be one. Go, 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 go. Makes it roll off.
Now we'll pull this truck up yonder, slide this onto my trailer, grab that, leave this for here, take it back to the house, and stab this thing in the back of the M880. It's gonna be good. Now, hopefully it'll just fit. there you are. It was meant to fit in a truck. Something like that. It fits literally just so perfect. Got some stuff in the way. Now to bolt it in. And I think I could bolt my holder uppers here to the hitch. And that'll be a perfect spot, and it'll be super strong. I don't have to put a bumper on it. Looking pretty cool. So we're getting this sucker set up to go. I ran a lead from batteries I have back here. So that'll be connected there. We're gonna loop one to the positive of the winch, and then the winch is grounded on the body. So then we're gonna take one of these and ground it right here. And she should be pretty set up. Hopefully it'll work. In the meanwhile, Jerry's vacuuming, getting her all cleaned up because dust was still flying in our eyes. So this adventure takes us not far from home. We stay on 30-mile-an-hour roads, or excuse me, 35 miles an hour. So it's nice and easy. Third gear all the way. Second is too low and fourth is too high. So third gear ought to be perfect. And it's only like, I don't know, 10 minutes away at the most. So it ain't too bad. It'll be a good test now that we're all rigged out. So we'll see. So we're gonna maybe start with this one, getting these aired up. That one I'm hoping holds air. And that one the axles aren't attached. And this is in the way. All right, load one, the worst one, I suppose. So we'll see how this goes, right?
Yeah.
Well, things happened. Both blew immediately, and I just left them right there. So, needless to say, I gotta figure out something. Great. We're in the Suburban now. So we dumped our load back off where we got it from because, well, those tires blew immediately. Then, so when we were on our way back after we had the flat, a guy kind of stopped and was all staring and kind of acting like what I was doing was a bad deal in his truck, just driving by. Whatever, you know, I made it back, dropped him off. Went to leave to come home, and there's a state trooper. The fear that went ran through my veins. So he kind of waves his hands as like at me, and as soon as I went around that next bend, me and Junior were gone. We made it home faster than I thought I'd drive that M880 ever. Turn after turn, you know, hey, we made it home. So now we're in the comforts of the Suburban, going to get my trailer. The tow truck did help us get staged for what we needed to do. Now we could go over there and load it up with peace of mind. So that's what we're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the way it gets done in style, huh? Or not in style, in comfort. We might have ruined that. It didn't unlock.
Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. Bust a bit. Yippee. Away, come on.
So alas, we are back at it. Back at it again with Jerry Lee, who is buckled. And we got to weld some axles on things. So here's the situation. There are no U-bolts on any of the front or rear axles. So I need to weld everything in place to stay, but this one had the ratchet strap forward. So, time to get to burning a little rod. Hopefully those welds hold. Oh, they already broke. Sweet. So for the last and final phase of this journey, we need Old Blue. Why might you ask? Well, that 8-foot bed looks empty, doesn't it? We need to put something in it. So we're gonna use it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's flabbergasting. I did not think that one was going to hold. I mean, it might not hold, but at least air up. Well, I figured I'd give you all a little closer look. Side pipes for the win, Bondo for the win. Some junk for the win. I actually cleaned out all the motors. I'm gonna save those for my brother. I threw some away a long time ago that were his, and he has not forgiven me. A few miscellaneous parts. A good tire, perhaps. A fender that's actually mediocre. Just one dent. And yeah. So at the end of the day, this has a title. It's got some parts. It's either going to be a good parts truck for someone or, which is the sad truth, but it is. The motor's taken. It's of no true use to me. The Power Wagon, divorced T-case, front rear axles, everything I need to make my other crew cab 4-wheel drive. So that is well worth it in my opinion. And that truck has a title, so that's even better. The 2 cabs, well, put one up for $300. Somebody bring me 50 and load it yourself? No. I don't know. At the end of the day, maybe it was a wash. Wash? Or maybe I made money or I'm benefiting from it regardless. So at the end of the day, I'm happy. So me and Jerry Lee had an adventure. All the fun that was building the wrecker, moving the wrecker boom. And well, that's it for this one. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate it very much. And go out and do something. See you next time. Say bye.